Hey guys, in this video I'm going to go over how to buy Bitcoin on Cash App. It's really easy and simple. First things first, just open up Cash App and go to the Bitcoin section. Okay? You just want to tap that Bitcoin tab. It will be at the bottom of the screen. Right? If you don't see it, just tap on your balance first and then select Bitcoin. Then, if you need to, just go ahead and verify your identity if you're actually required to do that. Just tap Bitcoin, follow the prompts, provide your full name, date of birth, social security number, and you may even be asked to take a photo of your ID for additional verification. Then you just have to wait for approval, which usually happens within a few minutes, 2 hours. Then just choose the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy. Okay, just tap on buy Bitcoin, enter the amount you want to purchase, and you can basically go ahead and, select a preset amount or select a custom amount, and then just tap on next to review your order, and then just go ahead and complete your process. Right, go ahead and review everything. If you're happy with this, just confirm your purchase and your Bitcoin will be added to your Cash App Bitcoin balance immediately. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.